In this video, I will show you the most efficient way to query your Clay data tables directly within Claude to help you segment your leads like a pro. Start by opening a new chat in Claude and make sure your Clay integration is active. The key to a successful query is using a very specific prompt structure so that the artificial intelligence knows exactly where to look. You should begin your message by asking Claude to look into your Clay account and query the specific table you want to analyze. Be sure to use the exact name of your table, such as Q3 Enterprise Leads, to avoid any confusion. Once you have identified the table, you need to define your filtering criteria. For example, you can tell Claude to find and display all rows where the company size column is greater than 500 and where the email status column equals verified. This allows you to drill down into your data and isolate only the highest quality prospects without having to manually filter through thousands of rows in the Clay interface. To keep things organized, always specify your desired output format. I recommend asking Claude to output the results in a clean markdown table showing only the most important details like full name, company, job title, and email address. Using this method saves you immense amounts of time and makes your outreach much more targeted. Now that you know how to bridge these two powerful tools, you can start building custom lead lists in seconds. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope this helps you streamline your sales workflow.